I think it's a tremendous honor and a privilege for the federal government to have the confidence in Southern Virginia to place a national training center like ATDM. They could have chosen to place this facility, this training program anywhere, but they chose Danville, Virginia.
It is fast-tracked. We've taken 1 year of community college and we have morphed it into 16 weeks. So in 4 months, they're getting 600 hours, definitely tailored to the basic skills that are needed for these companies to work in the DIB versus just generic skills. We know what the companies are looking for.
Every testimony I've heard from industry partners that we've worked with is the best quality workers showing up on day one are from ATDM. The maturity levels are higher coming out of here. They know how to come to work on time. They know how to work hard, work together as a team, and repeat that day after day, which is what people struggle with in the industrial base sometimes. Not only that, the curriculum that ATDM built here is fabulous. It typically results in less than half the time to qualify at local company standards.
For companies, the reason that they're going to want to hire them is the reduction of time to talent. They're going to have someone come in with the baseline skills that if they hired somebody off the street, they would have to train them themselves. So it does speed up the ability for that worker to be able to be performing and actually producing product.
We decided to partner with ATDM because it was an opportunity for us to decrease our time to talent. It would help us to get workers through our training and qualification program more quickly. It also provided us with a population of employees that had the skill sets that we were needing to employ. We got positive feedback both from our students and from our supervisors. Some of these students have been able to work through our training and qualification programs very quickly. They've been able to go from small tasks to more complex tasks much more quickly than many of our other employees are able to do. We hire machinists, we hire fabricators, welders, QC, and non-destructive evaluation. We've hired all of those skill sets through ATDM.
I have a background in military service. When I got out, I really wanted to continue to serve. I found ATDM and it allowed me to learn a new trade and still serve the country. When you're coming into the program, it is a job. You need to look at it as a job. Your job is to learn and gain experience in order for you to get offers from companies.
The ATDM program is a game changer. It has allowed us to have opportunity to hire highly skilled workers. And it's a game changer in that we are getting students that are getting skills specifically in the areas that we need them to get skills.
The reason that I came was because I wanted to serve a purpose greater than myself. And this gives you that outlet of being able to serve your country and to find something that you can be passionate about.
ATDM is changing students' lives and they recognize it.